Good day, dear friends. With you is Natalia on the Dr. Savkina channel. 21st century. This is the era of cardiovascular diseases. Unfortunately, many of us only start to appreciate what we lose. How can we strengthen the heart muscle at home without medication, thereby preserving our health for many years? We will talk about this with you today. Most long livers whose hearts work flawlessly walk on foot every day. Energetic walking is the most beneficial exercise for the heart. It rejuvenates the vessels, boosts the blood, helping the heart muscles to work fully. 10,000 steps is the minimum that each of us should strive for. Cardio training is a special kind of physical activity. And what is that? Basically, it's any workout that gets your heart rate up and keeps it there for a period of time. Even a regular climb to the 9th floor can be considered as a workout with a cardio effect. Cardio load is simply necessary for strengthening the heart. Improvement in well-being is noticed already after the first month of workouts. Shortness of breath, dizziness, and palpitations disappear. The most effective trainers for cardio load are considered to be the treadmill, elliptical, and exercise bikes. Any cardio load should have a balanced approach. Regular monitoring of heart rate. The average pulse rate for most of us should be in the range of 60 to 90 per minute. Training through force is dangerous. This can cause irreparable damage to the heart muscle. Fatigue and shortness of breath should be considered as signals of ineffective blood circulation. I emphasize this for your attention. Each of you probably noticed that with a long absence of physical activity, the pulse from the slightest load skyrockets. For the heart to work without interruption, it is necessary to pay attention to the small vessels, capillaries every day. Just 2 to 3 minutes a day can be enough to improve their function. For everyone whose work is somehow related to a sedentary lifestyle, every 2 hours, you should regularly stand up and shift from heel to toe, lifting your heel 5 centimeters off the floor and then gently lowering it back down. This exercise should be repeated 30 to 40 times. To strengthen the heart, it is necessary to maintain a water-salt balance. For this, it is necessary to consume 1.5 to 2 liters of clean drinking water a day. And in case of a feeling of lack of air, palpitations, a feeling of heaviness behind the sternum or chest pain, as well as swelling in the legs. In other words, signs of cardiovascular insufficiency, the amount of fluid should be limited to 1 liter per day. In addition, salt intake is limited to 5 grams. What products can strengthen the heart? First of all, fatty types of fish. Herring, mackerel, halibut, salmon. They are rich in omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, which slow down the development of plaques in the vessels, reducing the amount of so-called bad cholesterol. This goal can also be achieved by consuming blackcurrant. It is capable of slowing down oxidative stress, which causes atherosclerosis. One of the main protectors of the heart is cold-pressed olive oil. It contains a special substance called hydroxytyrosol, capable of reducing the harm caused by the consumption of animal fats. Unfortunately, each of our bodies is incapable of independently synthesizing omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for our bodies. Nuts are the richest source of polyunsaturated fatty acids. And first and foremost are walnuts, which should be included in our daily diet. Isolate filled with olive oil, which includes raw fish, walnuts, and garlic, can strengthen the heart. Superfood for the heart. The risk of strokes and heart attacks decreases with regular daily consumption of bananas. One banana can contain up to 300 milligrams of potassium, and potassium is simply essential for the uninterrupted operation of the heart. Amosov's paste, which is a mixture of dried fruits and nuts according to the recipe of the famous Russian cardiologist, can also strengthen the heart. The ingredients of this mixture, when consumed regularly, thin the blood, lower cholesterol, and saturate the heart muscle with potassium and magnesium. It's not difficult to prepare the mixture at home, which consists of 25 grams of prunes, ginger, honey, Greek nut raisins, and a lemon with peel. All the ingredients of the mixture are thoroughly ground. They are mixed and stored in the refrigerator. This mixture should be consumed 1 teaspoon 3 times a day before meals. Grapefruit juice is a super beneficial remedy for strengthening the heart. With its help, you can lower excessively high blood pressure, reduce body weight and blood sugar, as well as the level of bad cholesterol. In addition, grapefruit juice thins the blood. However, it is not recommended to consume it if you constantly need to take blood thinners. This is a drug that lowers arterial pressure. Also, when used in conjunction with antidepressants and drugs that lower cholesterol levels. The thing is that grapefruit, when taken together with the drugs I mentioned above, can cause side effects and primarily have a negative effect on the liver. 2 autumn berries, blackberry and viburnum, also contribute to and strengthen the heart. There are 3 important components in cranberries. Anthocyanins, they normalize cholesterol levels. Ursolic acid, which improves blood flow by dilating blood vessels. And phenols, which strengthen the walls of blood vessels. And viburnum prevents the increase in arterial pressure. To strengthen the heart, you need to completely quit smoking and regularly control your weight. The waist volume in men should not exceed 102 centimeters and in women 88. It has been established that abdominal obesity almost doubles the risk of developing a heart attack. You can also strengthen your heart by eliminating stress. Don't take it to heart. These words are trying to calm a loved one. Chronic stress is particularly dangerous, during which all the body's resources are spent on maintaining constant readiness for battle. In case we can't cope with the situation that keeps us in a state of constant tension, we need to try and change our attitude towards it. This can help overcome the negative effects of stress. I recommend you watch a video on the Mediterranean diet, which doctors recommend to every patient after discharge from the hospital with cardiovascular diseases. Stay healthy, dear friends, and until we meet again.